the condition of the toilets is in a very bad state. I don't understand if even they are being used by the students, small students, for their passing urines or whatever. Second thing, the drinking water and the area for washing their hands is in a very bad state, and it is at a very height where small children are out of reach to use the taps. The drinking water facility is again in a very bad condition. The RO filter the filterization system is installed, but it is not been connected, and if it is connected also there is no supply, proper supply. A tank, if you can see behind, is in a very bad condition here, no maintenance at all. The school premises, they are just started with the school wherein they had 2 months holiday, where the school would take an initiative to do the paintings of the walls and other maintenance work, but it seems done nothing. So I request to whoever to the reach to please come here, see the conditions the students are studying here.
सिलिंगान एक सिलिंग सारको ना हिंगा सिलिंगात ते रॉड दिसता पयली हिंगा ते रूफ ते सगळे सकलेला केन्ना पडटा ते हांव नको आनी हिंगा भुरगे ते शिकताय ते कोणाक कितले हे ना ते and anything can happen anytime. So I just demand for government just to look after this, and they have to do something over it.
जे कितें काम केल्लें आसा मेंटेनन्स म्हणटा पळय नांवा पुरतें केल्लें, हितून बेजीक स्ट्रक्चर वर्क कांयच केल्लें ना. हे स्कुलाची हालत अशी आहा की भुरग्यांक एक सारकें हेजार्डस आसा, केन्नाय कोसळपाक शकता. आमी जितले क्लासरूम आतां पळयले धड इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे स्विचीस ना, धाकले भुरगे आहा, फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड सेकंड स्टँडर्डचे भुरग्यांक कांय कळना, ते बोट जर घालीत जाल्यार तांकां शॉक येवपाक शकता, भुरग्यांच्या जिवाचेर येवपाक शकता. आमचे सरकार आमकां सांगता की सगळ्या भुरग्यांक शिकयात, फ्री एज्युकेशन. ही क्वॉलिटी जी आयज दिता त्या एज्युकेशनाची, मागता सरकारा कडेन तेंच्यांनी मातशें बेगींतले बेगीन ह्या स्कुलाक येवन आदार करचो, कित्याक आतां रिपेर करून दिवचें, नाजाल्यार भुरग्यांच्या जिवाचेर येवपा भशेन आयच्या दिसाक हांगा कंडिशन आसा.
There is no proper drinking water. All government schools are supposed to provide purified mineral water or RO purified water to the children. There is a water purifier, however there is no connection given. The tank disposing the water to provide drinking water to the children is not connected. The tank of the water that is accumulated for the use also is broken with a big hole, and when you peep inside the tank there is a lot of garbage that is being collected, and the area where the children are supposed to stand and drink or clean their tiffin or wash their hands is at a very high height, wherein the children are actually climbing on it and washing their hands and their tiffins, and it's so dangerous and slippery area. Any kid can easily fall off that place. So I request the government to please come forward and look after this matter, or whoever is able to help these children. Actually, I see a lot of improvements that have been done for the school, however it is not been regularly checked upon. That's why the facility is not being used probably.